Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check iPhone 12 battery health. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone 12. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to battery. And then click on it. Once you selected battery, hang on for the battery page to load. And once you have access to the battery page just like this, go ahead and locate and click on battery health and charging. Once you click on that, then you should see your maximum capacity. Then here, you should have your battery health labeled here. Here, I have my battery health set at 73%. So if you have anything beneath this or above this, that represents your iPhone 12 battery health. You see that? This is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Lower battery may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. So you are good. So that's exactly how you can easily check or find iPhone 12 battery health. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.